Hi all, today we are going to derive de Broglie's matter wave equations. Okay. For that we are taking two equations. Those are famous equations. First one is E equals mc square and the second one is E is equal to h nu. We all know that this E is equal to mc square is from Einstein's theory of relativity and this E is equal to h nu is from Max Planck. According to de Broglie matter wave equation, all matter can behave as wave also. That means the matter, the particle also have wave nature. Okay, so we are taking these two equations and we all know that these two equations are for energy. First one is saying that E is equal to mc square and second one is saying that E is equal to h nu. No matter, we are taking these two equations and equalizing. Mc square is equal to h nu. Then we can write it also as h nu is equal to mc square. From here we are expanding this nu. Nu is equal to, nu is the frequency and frequency's formula is nu is equal to c by lambda. So we are expanding that nu into c by lambda and mc square. Here we are rearranging these equations into 1 by lambda because this h and c will go to this side equal to mc square divided by hc. And again I am rearranging this equation. 1 by lambda is equal to m into c square. C is the speed of light, means c square means c into c, that is c square, and divided by h c. Here we can cancel one c from the equations. Okay, then we will get 1 by lambda is equal to m into c divided by h, and this is 1 by lambda. So we need lambda, actually we need the wavelength. So lambda is equal to, again rearranging the equation, h divided by mc. According to the mathematics it will goes like this. Then we all know that h is Planck's constant and m is the mass of the matter that we are going to look at the wavelength, and c is that speed of that matter. Here we are derived the equation for photons, so that c means the speed of photon, and for other objects the speed that below the photons, because we all know that nothing in the universe can exceed the speed of light. For the equation it will become, for electrons and all other object, m into v. The equation become lambda is equal to h into m into v. That means h divided by mv, and this mv is called momentum. That means lambda is equal to Planck's constant divided by momentum. This is de Broglie matter wave equation.